What's up everybody, it's Elise. Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it'd be fun to kind of go out of our normal filming routine and do a shop with me video. I've never done this type of video before, so I'm so very excited. But this is one of my favorite videos to watch. I love shop with me videos. They always kind of satisfy my urge to shop, which is always a great feeling. So today I figured I would take you to the Dollar Tree with me, and I'm so excited because I come from a long line of dollar store shoppers in my family, and my grandpa was the most enthusiastic dollar store shopper, so I figured this would be a perfect first shop with me on this channel. So if you're interested in shopping with me at the dollar store, just keep on watching. Let's go. I always like to start with the seasonal stuff because they have the best summer party stuff and spring stuff. This is so cute for like a luau. This one says Aloha 5 o'clock somewhere. Look at the seasonal stuff, so cute. Oh my god, these are the prettiest summer plates. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, aren't these the cutest? Now I don't need these quite yet, but in a couple months, these will be on my head. Look at all the graduation stuff. Ugh, so exciting. Can't believe I am class of 2018. Look at the selection of Mother's Day cards. Absolutely amazing. And look, they actually have Nana for once. So cute. I'm most excited to see the spring stuff that they got in, so let's do it. At last I have found you. Now my mom starts chemo on Thursday, so I feel like these would be really good to keep her brain nice and sharp. Plus she has 5 hours to kill. Should we do the large print one? Perfect. They actually have some pretty good books here. Now this aisle is my guilty pleasure, wrapping paper. So cute. Love the shape. Whoops. This plastic stuff is the best. I got so much of this for New Year's Eve, and you just throw it away when you're done. It's amazing. They have champagne flutes, cake servers, stuff. They have such nice glass products, like if I needed some. I love these when I'm having like a little dinner gathering. It always looks like you have your stuff together, but it's from the dollar store. I love these. Even finding the sale here. Okay, so I just arrived at the second Dollar Tree. I know, I live in the best area ever. I have 2 Dollar Trees within 2 miles apart. Not sure why they did that, but I'm not complaining. So I'm gonna go into the second Dollar Tree and see what I can find. Let's go. We'll grab a cart just in case we find lots of goodies. just finished in dollar store number 2, and with no time to spare, it is about to let loose and pour. So I'm so happy that I got inside the car so I don't have to get soaked. Don't have to get you guys soaked. So if you want to see what I got, cue the haul. Alright, sorry for the ugly background. I'm at my parents' house, but I was about to show Hannah what I got from the Dollar Tree, so I'll show y'all too. I'm actually really excited about these. They look like they're from Home Goods. They're these 2 little mirrors, and they were obviously $1 each, but my mom gave me permission to redo the spare bedroom upstairs. Maggie and Hannah! Yeah, so I thought those were really nice. I mean, from far away, they look like they're from Home Goods, but definitely can feel they're from the dollar store, but it's all about the look, you know? Got a card, I think, for Hannah and for my brother. Hannah's sitting right here, so spoiler alert. This one is so cute. Looks like this. They're both, my brother's graduating from grad school and Hannah's graduating from undergrad school. I'm not gonna read them because I don't want to spoil it, but. And then I found my mom a Mother's Day card. So pretty. And then my Nana a Mother's Day card. Okay, so the real reason why I went to the dollar store is because I've been watching a lot of YouTube, and part of this is for Hannah as well, because one of these looks so much like her. So I've been seeing them all over YouTube, these little macaroons. They're the stinking cutest thing ever. So I got my power color, this pretty mint, and then Hannah's really pretty pastel pink. So she's right here. So I was gonna wrap it, but I don't have time because she's literally right here. But I thought they were so cute, and they are just like this little jewelry box. I kind of like them when you leave them like a little bit open. So cute. They also had them in a really pretty lilac color and then a baby blue, but these 2 were my favorite colors. So adorable. They look like they're from Hobby Lobby. So cute. I've seen these flower tins, so I got myself one. It says flowers and garden. I think it's so cute. It kind of goes with like the farmhouse decor. And then I just found these little lilacs wrapped in burlap, so I'm gonna stick 3 of them in there, and I think that looks so adorable. I'm gonna put this on my entranceway. I just thought it was a really cute and expensive farmhouse decor-y thing. So love the burlap. You can kind of see it poking out. So I figured I would get that. And then I found this headband. I thought it was super cute and really my style. I love plaid and stuff. So I thought this would be really cute with like a high ponytail or just like a messy bun like this. Thought it was really cute. I think you guys saw me looking at these. I got my mom a large print crossword puzzle because she's gonna have a lot of time to kill, and I think it's important that she keeps her brain sharp during chemo. So crossword puzzles are very fun for me. I don't know if they're fun for her, but she better like this. So that's all I got. Well, okay, you guys, so that was it for my first ever shop with me video. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you did like this type of video, leave a comment where you want me to shop next. I live in literally the best area ever, where I live 5 miles from pretty much every single store you can imagine. Like within walking distance, I have it all. I have Kirkland's, Ross, TJ Maxx, I have the mall. So please leave a comment down below where you want me to shop next. I would love to hear your suggestions, and I will definitely keep them in mind. So thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe at this time and follow me on social media to see some of these items in action. I hope you all have a great day, an even better week, and I'll catch up with y'all later.